Good morning and welcome to MarineMax Island Marine, Ocean View, New Jersey. Today we're going to be taking a look at one of our trades. This is a 2018 Grady-White Canyon 271, 27 foot, twin 300 Yamahas in white. Boat was lift kept, was not bottom painted. Let's take a look at some of the features on this boat. Windlass, the anchor in the front, hard top, Garmin radar, spotlight, outriggers, just to rattle off a few things. Boat does have the side enclosures for fall fishing. Beautiful boat. Let's go inside and take a look. As we come inside our 27-foot Grady, you can see it has a walk-through transom door, boarding ladder, fold-down aft seat, fish box, live well, pop-up cleats, second live well, bait station, tackle storage. Boat does have tow rails, rod holders, remote engine flushes. Very nice electronics package. Two 12-inch Garmin screens, Garmin autopilot, Fusion stereo, ACR spotlight, two VHF radios with remote mics. We'll step back. 4-rod rocket launcher. 4-rod rocket launcher on the aft hardtop. Cockpit lights, speakers overhead. The enclosure I spoke of earlier. Underside of the hardtop to match the hull. We'll go forward. Backrests. Walk through for the front to get to the windlass. Once again, rod holders, cup holders, pop-up running light, windshield. Boat has a wiper, light forward, spotlight. Take a look at the head. Get you out of the sun. It is a marine head. Storage. Access under the panel. Teak and holly floor. Boat is very clean, very well kept. Low hours. Have any questions? Give us a call. Thank you.